Alright, yo, what's good, YouTube? Back at you with another video here, another install video. Got two new parts that we're going to be installing today. So we got got the black grill, gloss black grill. Going to be replacing the grill that's in the front that we have right now. Also came with an STI badge. I have that upstairs. I can get that later. And then we also will be replacing the fog lights with the JDM style fog light bezels. So we also got those in the beautiful gloss black. As you see, it has the LED light right here. Come across from the front. Like I said, it replaced this whole unit here. So boom, just like that. Give it the gloss black look. It'll look a lot better. LED will light up. Fog light will still come through right here. Attached, like I said, then our black grill will go here and replace this one here. After, like, when I first got the car, you know, the grill was cool. I said, yeah, I like the grill. Then, like, after a couple months went by, I was like, yeah, this grill gotta go, bro. This don't look good. But yeah, that's what we're going to be installing today. Last video, we did the exhaust on the WRX, so it's still down there. Still very beautiful titanium exhaust there. It won't be a cold start, but I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys. Like I said, nothing too crazy. Since we're going to be putting it on the ramps, I had to go ahead and move my BMW as well. I mentioned to it in the last video that I had an M3, and so this is her fine glory right here. It's been raining all day. So, take this cover off and I'll let you guys hear that now. This hasn't been started all day, so this will technically be a cold start, but it's pretty warm out here, so we'll see. But yeah, what's good, YouTube? Day 2 of trying to install our grill and fog light bezels here. First part of the video, we were starting it, got rained out, so it's a new day, sunny out today, so that'll be good. But like I said, we're going to be replacing today this OEM grill and the OEM fog light bezels with the JDM style fog light bezels here. So the bottom part is still the same, but the rest is all gloss black. Has the LED here, has all your connections that you need right here, and then your OEM fog lights still fit right here and it's still usable. And then with the grill, we got the JDM STI grill, gloss black as well. It's just gonna give it a whole different look to the car. With at first I liked the way the gray was looking, but like after seeing like this mocking up what the black will look like in front of it, like, you just put this here, you can already tell it's gonna look 10 times better with the black. And then you add the fog light there with it. They're just gonna contrast each other very well. Just give it a overall just better, sportier, sleeker look to the car. So I'm excited. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. Oh, my fault. In order to do that, we will be taking the bumper off. So to take the bumper off, you have these 10mm bolts right here and some pop clips. So you can just get a trim tool right there, like I said, 10mm socket. Take all these bolts right here. I think it is, I forget how many it's in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The pop clips. Take those parts off. Take this off. We're gonna set that over there. And then it also has 2 additional clips on your bottom part of the bumper here. Just one here, we've already taken it out. One here and then one there. So once you take all those out, pull the bumper from this way, then pull it from the headlights. Best there's some pop clips here in the headlights that'll make it easier to just get the rest of the bumper off. And like I said, we'll do that and go ahead and get into it. So we'll update you guys halfway through on what it's looking like and show before and afters and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the bolts out. I'm gonna be taking out the the trim pieces. He, being my dad, he's helping out today. What I use to take the trim pieces out is, you can just use any type of trim removal tool that you have. I use these, and I just, if you look at these bolts here, they have like a little cross. I just slid it in there, beep, popped it right up. So that's how they come out. Remember, when you put them back in, you have to squeeze them back down and push it in that thing. Grill, all you do is more pop-out clips, and then your badges right here. Screw those out, screw that out. Old OEM grill. So what we're saying is,
yeah, facts, big chain.
Big chain, yeah. Find it funny that you order stuff from Subaru Japan, doesn't give you any instructions. They're like, y'all can figure it out. Alright, so we connected these two, it's connected here from the new fall light bezel connected here. It's going to route all the way up to the fuse box battery here. The other side of it connected to the other light on the other side. Now we have this fuse box here. We're going to use this 10 right here, and I think 7.5. So this is either who's going to go in this way. I'm not sure. Based on the video also, I can't really tell how he put it in. We'll just connect this here, and then I think this goes on the connected right here on the battery, and it should all work from there. Fast forward, we got the fuse part in there, got that together, gotta put it in. Still have to hook this somewhere to get power to that. Right now, what I'm doing is connecting the blinkers to this. So let's take this piece here, you got to put the back row for me. And it's going to, this side is going to connect like this. That's the wrong one. This is going to connect itself. So took a little side quest after we finished putting the bumper back on. We went and got the windows tinted on the car, so now the car's fully tinted. Didn't tint the windshield for right now just because I don't really need it tinted right now. But as you see, what we wrapped up doing is we changed out, put the black JDM grill on with the STI badge, put the JDM fog light bezels on there, so with the daytime running lights, so they look really good. I'll start the car real quick just so I can see what it looks like with the lights on. That's just the daytime running function. I'll go ahead and switch it to where you can see all the lights and the actual fog lights will still light up too. Thing we also did, we didn't do it in this video, I actually did it a couple weeks ago, but these lights right here are LED switchback lights we got from Laser Fit. So they just took out this little amber part that used to be here, and so now it's all full LED. At nighttime it makes it look like it's like the limited with the Z lights, so that's pretty cool. I'll put the hazards on so y'all can see that. That's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm satisfied with my purchase. honestly, time-wise, it didn't take long to do it. We were on a time crunch. It had to, we started at like 12, 15-ish and had to drop the car off for a tent by 2. We finished at like 150 something, right at the dot. That's because we were trying to figure out some wiring stuff and how the plug and play worked. But we got it situated. But yeah, looks good. Next video will probably be installing the. What do I have next? If my mud flaps are back in, because I ordered some STI mud flaps. They're not fitting. Sending them back. They're gonna send me a new set. Actually, for this, they sent me BRZ ones. Like, I don't got a BRZ, but yeah, they sent BRZ ones. So sending those back to get the WRX ones. Got some rain guards we'll install. I have like a little roof spoiler that we'll install as well. So that'll probably be the next video, or the next video might be me getting the M3 straight pipe. We'll see. I'm debating if I want to get it straight piped or do an actual exhaust in general, but we'll see what I decide. One of those two will be the next video. But without further ado, have a good one. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share it with all the homies, and